Okay, we've moved our rice to the back burner, and you can see that it's starting to get a little bit warm. So we're going to go make sure that all of our chunks of veggie stock are broken up and that the butter is incorporated. So while we're waiting for that to go, we're going to take our cucumber and we're going to run it under some cold water. We're going to go ahead and slice off the ends. And then we're going to go and peel it. We're going to discard our outer skin. And now our rice is starting to boil. So we're going to go ahead and cover that and reduce the heat down to about 3 and let it simmer.